Welcome back to Tip Tuesday. Great to see you, Ryan, as always.
Good to be back. Thanks for having me.
You're so welcome. We've got a really great topic that we wanted to discuss with everybody today, and that is VA loans and the benefits, the requirements, the interest rate, and max seller concessions that are able to be provided to a buyer. So I'm going to let you dive right into this today, Ryan.
Thank you, Dana. Yes, VA loans, I like to say really are the best mortgages available. They're really taking care of our veterans with this program as they should. And, the biggest benefit is 0% down. You don't need a down payment, 100% financing. The other big benefit is even with zero down, there's no monthly mortgage insurance. You have to pay that with conventional if you don't put 20% down, or an FHA loan, and it could get pretty pricey. Also, these loans are guaranteed by the U.S. Department of Veteran Affairs. And, with the government backing, lenders are really able to provide a more competitive interest rate because of that, kind of like FHA loans. So, we do see rates usually about, 0.5% to 1% lower than conventional rates in some cases. So it's very competitive. Now, there is an upfront mortgage insurance charge, not monthly. It's in lieu of the monthly, but this can be pricey. And sometimes when we're working with new veterans, they're kind of shocked to see how much that could be, because it could be anywhere between 1.5 to 3.3% of the final loan amount. And that gets added on to the loan, like I said. So it can be steep, but this insurance charge, it's better than having to pay the monthly. And really, if you have any kind of VA disability income, this could sometimes be waived. We get a lot of veterans who don't even have to pay that. So zero down with no upfront mortgage insurance. So that's just one thing to be aware of. And really, to know if you qualify, all we really need is your DD-214 form. That's the certificate of release of discharge from active duty. I think I had that right. So, and then we send that into the VA, and we get what's called your certificate of eligibility to confirm if you have the entitlement required for zero down. And then, of course, we do a credit check and we do income check to really determine how much you can approve for. And, that's it. You start shopping with Dana for a new home after that. It's a fantastic program. And one thing that Dana could also do is have the seller cover closing costs, because they do allow you up to 4% in seller pay concessions. So that, you could really get a lot covered and even buy down your rate with that much. And Dana's always great at asking for those concessions. So it's a great little perk to the VA loan as well. So yeah, it's such a great program.
Thank you, Ryan. And yes, to all your veterans, thank you for your service. And if you are a veteran and looking to purchase a home using your VA loan, definitely reach out to Ryan and I, and we're more than happy to answer any questions that you may have. So thank you, Ryan. Great to see you. And see you next week, everybody.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.